Welcome back after a long time to my channel. I just got my hands on all new Samsung Galaxy A34 and A54, and in this video we will unbox these phones and take a quick look. A quick reminder before that, if you are new here, do consider subscribing and like this video if you find it good enough. I got the A34 in the silver color and the A54 in the green color. Slim boxes, no charger inside. I'll mention the prices of both these phones on the screen. I am excited to see how these phones look and feel in real. So let's begin with the Samsung Galaxy A34 first. This one is a 128GB variant. Let's get it out of the box. Here we go. Beautiful. Looks very nice. And that's glass build. That's a big upgrade over the Galaxy A33. I'll turn this phone up and check other contents of this box first. And we get only the USB-C cable, no silicone case in the box whatsoever. Alright, here's the phone. I must admit that it feels much better than the Galaxy A33 in the hand. The silver back with that spectrum under light looks really nice. Clean frame, the frame is plastic. I think Samsung's approach of using the same design on all of its phones is turning out to be a good decision. The camera rings are bulging out a little, which adds to the premiumness of this phone in my opinion. It's got a 48 megapixels main camera sensor. I'll mention the remaining camera details on the screen. I'll set this phone up quickly. I really like the fingerprint scanner's placement. This is where it should be on all the phones. Makes really easy to reach out to and unlock the phone. The screen you are seeing is a 6.6 inches Full HD with peak brightness of up to 1000 nits. Again, that is a good upgrade. It uses 120Hz refresh rate. Bezels are quite big and chunky on this phone, and I wish Samsung someday gets rid of that water drop notch on the Galaxy A30 series. It just feels old now. A34 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chip. The RAM is 8GB. I'll run the benchmark test in a while. Let's take a look at the software. The One UI 5.1 looks and feels really nice on this phone. Camera brings the options to record videos at 4K at 30 frames per second at max. The 1080p 60fps mode is there for the rear camera only. The front camera is capped at 30fps only. There's Pro, Photo mode and Video mode in this phone. In a while you will see its camera samples as well. The A34 brings a 5000 mAh battery. I'll get back to the A34 with a comparison with the A54 in a while. Let's move on to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A54 for now. The green A54 is the 256GB variant. I'll quickly unbox it. Like the A34's box, we get a USB-C cable here only, no clear case here either. And this is the green A54. I wasn't expecting it to be this beautiful, to be honest. The glass back again here, that green looks extraordinarily good here. The camera rings on the A54 are slightly bigger than the A34. USB-C port, speaker grill and the usual bells and whistles can be found on the plastic frame of this phone. And by the way, both the Galaxy A34 and A54 support a microSD card, so you can definitely expand that storage as well. I'll quickly turn it on and set it up as well. The fingerprint scanner placement on this phone is also similar to the A34. A54 6.4 inches 120Hz display brings that tiny punch hole, but the moment this phone powers up, you will see those chunky bezels once again. The A53 and A52s 5G had very slim bezels. I don't know what Samsung did here, but those bezels and bottom chin look humongous on this phone. This is something that I am not liking at all on this phone. A54 runs on the One UI 5.1 as well out of the box. The core Samsung software has all of its usual features that Samsung usually adds to its mid-range devices. There is no wireless text and some other premium features are missing on these phones, the usual features that we see on the flagship devices only. This phone is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset and I got it with a RAM of 8 gigs. Camera on the A54 brings optical image stabilization, and it also offers 60 fps video in 1080p resolution for both the front and the rear cameras. I will be doing a detailed camera test of this phone very soon. For those interested in the camera hardware, the A54 brings a 50 megapixels main camera. I'll mention the remaining details on the screen. Since this one is just an unboxing and quick review video, I will keep things precise here. I'll quickly compare the Antutu scores of the A34 and the A54. You guys can see that the A54 is clearly ahead, and I think that's a nice score for a mid-range phone. As far as the score is concerned, I am yet to experience the real life usage of the Exynos 1380 and the Dimensity 1080 on these phones. Here's a quick comparison of the storage benchmark. The displays on both the phones have same tech specs. The A34 differentiates because of that notch only. A34's camera rings are slightly thin compared to the A54's thick rings. Like I said before, both these phones rock a 5000 mAh battery and support 25 watt fast charging. I wish Samsung could add the wireless charging here, but I guess that is just too much to ask for a mid-range Samsung device for now. Maybe we will see wireless charging making it to the mid-range phones in a couple of years from now. So you can't easily tell which phone is which until you know these nitty-gritty differences in the design of these phones, or unless you see both these phones from the front side by side. As far as the looks and the feel is concerned, I'm impressed by both the Galaxy A34 and the A54. The prices of these phones have definitely gone up, and I'll have to use these for a few days before I conclude if these are value for money or not. Now towards the end of this video, I will add a quick camera comparison. These are just a very initial camera samples taken from both the phones. A detailed camera comparison will drop on my channel very soon. Furthermore, I will be doing a speed test, the battery drain test, and a whole lot of other videos of both these phones very soon. So make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and you have also turned on your notifications to catch all of my upcoming videos. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done that, and I'll catch you with the next one.